Today I would like to share with you how to operate these ventilators from Philips Respironics. The model name is BiPAP A40. Okay. This ventilator consists of three components. Okay. It has a humidifier unit and also a battery module beside the main unit, the ventilators. So to connect the humidifier, first you need to fill up the water into this chamber, not to exceed this white line. The reason why do we need the chamber, the humidifier, because when the air travel from the ventilator go inside the humidifier, the air will get the heat and moisture before it travel and go to the patient lung, so that the next day after use for overnight, the patient will not have any dry throat. Okay, so this is the purpose we use a humidifier. And the other thing is the battery module. Okay. Inside here there's a battery. This backup battery can last about 4 to 5 hours. So you connect the battery here. Okay. And in order to use the AC power, there's a AC adapter cable. So this is connections, and you have to connect here. Okay, there's a port here. So the side of the port here, there's a white dot. Okay, I think it's hard to see from camera. Okay, you need to identify the white dot, and then you also need to identify another dot here to connect the AC power cord. When you're pushing in, you can hear a clicking sound. Okay, when you get it connected, and once you get connected, you can't pull it out like this. It has a locking mechanism to prevent accidentally disconnections. You can only disconnect the cable by moving this part here. Okay, when you want to disconnect the cable, okay, there's a moving part. Okay, so once you connect the power, you can see the light here lit on, so meaning it's connected to AC power, and the battery will start charging. Okay, so the other thing you need to have to complete the ventilations, of course, is the patient tubing, like this, the patient tubing, and also you need to have the patient mask. Okay, normally the setting is a prescription you need to get from your doctors. And when the doctor passes the patient to us, normally we will ask the doctor for the prescription so that we know how to set for you at home. And once you turn on, you can see there's a menu here, there's a therapy here, and this icon, this picture here indicates the humidifier. So this button is to set the humidifier, this button is to start the therapy, okay, this button, and this up and down button, when you press the up button, you can access the menu. Okay, and then you can move up and down to select the menu. Okay, so you can see here the first setting is a safely remove SD card. Okay, there's a SD card here. Okay, this SD card will record the patient data, so that when you use the ventilator, when doctor asks for report, how does it goes when you use a ventilator at home, we can download the data and print the report and present to the doctor, so that the next time when you follow with the doctor knows how do you perform when you use the ventilators. In order to start ventilation, you need to connect the tubing. Okay, so this is the tubing. Okay, we can wear the mask like this. Okay, put the straps. Okay, wear the mask like this. Okay, and there's a grinder here you can adjust, and this is where you can extend. Okay, you do it parallel, and here there's another strap. Okay. You try to make it parallel. To remove the mask, you open the clip. Okay. Okay, so assuming I wear the mask and then I press the therapy button to start ventilation. Press therapy. And you can hear the noise starting. Okay?